Welcome to Practical Micro Living. Today, we're exploring how you can live comfortably in just 150 square feet. It might sound small at first, but with the right mindset and smart design choices, you can create a space that feels open, cozy, and full of possibility. The first step, is mindset. Many people struggle in small apartments because of clutter. A room crammed with too much stuff feels cramped and suffocating. But when you shift to minimalism, the tiniest space transforms into something calm and refreshing. Start simple. Let go of items you don't truly use. Donate what doesn't serve you, and keep only the things that bring value to your daily life. Next up, furniture. In a micro apartment, every piece should do double duty. A sofa that turns into a bed, a fold-out desk that disappears when you're done working, an ottoman that's both seating and storage. Even better, modular furniture lets you switch from a daytime workspace all inside the same square footage. Here's
I love
the
that
secret
though.
weapon.
Got to.
I
Think
know.
vertically. Use shelves above doorways, hooks on the walls, hanging baskets in the bathroom. Hide the rest under the bed, inside steps.